Hello kids! Today, we are making a cheerful laundry day coloring page. We are going to create a bright and colorful laundry corner. By the end, it will shine like a rainbow. We have two different jumbo crayon sets in front of us. Now, let's decide which one we should use for coloring. Come on, let's open the first box and take a closer look. It looks so nice. Now, let's look at the other box too. These crayons are really big. The colors look so bright and vivid. Wonderful! Let me show them to you a little closer. Let's see how they look together. Very nice. They really look beautiful. Even the outside colors are eye-catching. Still, let's carefully check the other set too, because we have not seen that one completely yet. This set looks beautiful too. I think we need to choose between the two sets. Which one should we use, this one or that one? Which one do you think we should color with? I think we should choose this one today. Yes, let's make our coloring page with this set. Now let's close the other box and place it neatly to the side. Let's take another look at the crayons we chose. I am looking closely one more time. I really like these colors. The colors are vivid and the crayons are big and easy to hold. Now what should we do? Let's choose one crayon from the set. And let's look at the crayon tip. I am so curious to see how it will color. I wonder what the tip looks like. Wow! It is so nice. It has a big smooth tip. Coloring with this will be so much fun. Yes! Now what should we do? Let's gently roll our crayons forward. Listen to the sound they make while they roll. I wonder what kind of sound we will hear. They roll so nicely. I really love rolling crayons. We do not only use crayons for coloring. We can also create fun little games with them. For example, you can even make the letter A with crayons. You can try other letters too. These crayons really look amazing. All set. Now it is drawing time. Get ready to draw a laundry corner. If you are ready, let's begin. First, we draw two clothespins. Under them, we add the waist of our pants. We draw the belt buckle and the small belt loops. Finally, we finish the legs of the pants. After adding the pockets and zipper, we move on to the next piece. Again, we drew two clothespins. We prepared the sleeves and body of our t-shirt. And we added a cute heart in the middle. Now let's make two more clothespins. That looks very nice. We need a strong clothesline to hold these clothes. Yes, our clothesline looks wonderful too. Now we can move on to our washing machine. We draw a nice rectangle. We add a button on the side. Then we place the small details next to it. After that, we draw lines to separate the sections. At the end, we finish the round door of the washing machine. We add a few lines on the sides to create depth. That makes our drawing look more realistic. Now it is time to draw the fabric softener and laundry detergent bottles. Yes, those turned out very nice too. Now let's draw our laundry basket. Let's place different clothes inside it. Let's finish the last details of our basket. First, we draw the horizontal lines. Then we use vertical lines to create the woven basket pattern. And that's it. Now we can make our lines bolder. Why do we make the lines bolder? Because bold outlines make coloring easier. They also help the colors stay inside the edges. Yes, we made a wonderful laundry day drawing. Now it is coloring time. Before we start coloring, let's look at our crayons one more time. The colors really look bright and lively. Don't you think they look nice too? Let's choose one crayon and take one more close look at the tip. I really like these crayons. Wow! The color and the tip both look amazing. Now let's line up the crayons neatly on the side. That way, we can color more comfortably. If you are ready, coloring time is here. We can start coloring now. I wonder which color we should choose. Let's think for a moment. Should I start with pink? No, not yet. I think we should start with the washing machine first. Yes. While I color, you can guess the colors too. Does anyone know the name of the color I am using right now? Yes, I am waiting for your answer. What color is this? Can you say it a little louder? I could not hear you clearly. Wonderful, well done. You really know this color. This color is called blue. That's right. Now I want you to say the next color. Come on, say it with me. What color is this? Can you say it one more time? You have until the coloring is finished to think. Look calmly and think carefully. Congratulations, you got it right. This color was yellow. Yellow looks great on the washing machine. I think blue and yellow look beautiful together. What do you think? Do you like them too? Now we are moving on to the next color. What color is this? Your voice sounds a little quiet. Can you say it a little louder? You have time until the coloring is finished. Do not rush. Think carefully. Yes, you guessed this one too. This color is orange. Now what should we do? Which part should we color next? Are you saying pink? Yes, pink is a very pretty color. We are coloring our t-shirt with pink. I wanted you to guess this color. This time, let's say it together. Do you have a pink outfit at home? Yes. This color looks so nice on the t-shirt. Now let's color the heart and sleeves with a different color. Yes, you got it. It is purple. We made the heart and sleeves purple. Which one should we color now? The pants? Yes, we can color the pants. This color is a great choice for pants. You know the colors so well now. Can you say the name of this color? You have until the coloring is finished. Exactly! You got it right! This color is called red. Yes, we said yellow before. This color is yellow too. Yes, I heard what you said. You are following the colors so well. Let's make our laundry bright and colorful. Let's say the colors together. First, we used blue. Then we used green. Now we use orange. Let's make this one purple too. What color should we use for these two? One of them can be pink. Yes, let's make it pink. We added our pink color. What should our last color be? Yes, our last color can be yellow. All right. Now we can color our laundry basket too. I want you to tell me which color this is. You have until the coloring is finished. I said most of the colors earlier. Now you can guess these colors. You already know the colors so nicely. Great job. This one was pink too. Now let's color the edge of our basket. What color is this? Yes, this one was purple. Bravo, you got it right. I am proud of you. Now let's color our detergent bottles. I think we all really liked pink, because we used it often in this coloring page. Now let's color the caps on the bottles. We colored the other cap green. Let's imagine one bottle is fabric softener, and the other bottle can be laundry detergent. Let's finish the top parts with yellow. Let the labels look clean and cute. The colors matched each other beautifully. Our drawing is almost ready now. Don't you think it turned out so nice? If you enjoyed this video, you can ask a grown-up and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to like the video. You can follow us for new coloring videos. With help from a grown-up, you can print this picture too. Now it is time to test if it works. Yes, it works perfectly. Super! Today's coloring adventure ends here. Do not forget to follow our channel. See you next time. Bye-bye!